Question number 1. Which ancient text is considered the primary source for the technical rules of Indian classical dance? Option number B is the right answer, Natya Shastra. Question number 2. Which of the following classical dance forms is native to the state of Assam, introduced by the Vaishnav saint Srimad Shankardev? Option number C, Kshatriya. Question number 3. The dance form Mohiniyattam literally translates to the dance of enchantress. Which Hindu deity is it historically dedicated to? Option number C, Lord Vishnu. Question number 4. Bharatanatyam was historically known by which of the following names before its modern revival? Option number A, Sadirattam. Question number 5. Which classical dance is unique for its heavy elaborate facial makeup, where green color represents noble characters and red represents evil? Option number B, Kathakali. 6. In which village of Andhra Pradesh did the dance form Kuchipudi originate? Option number B, Kuchelapuram. 7. How many classical dance forms are currently recognized by the Sangeet Natak Academy, Ministry of Culture? Option number B, 8. Question number 8. The style of costume in Manipuri dance features a unique stiff cylindrical skirt known as? Option number B, Kumin. Question number 9. Which classical dance form is deeply rooted in the Gotipua and Mahari traditions? Option number C, Odissi. Question number 10. The dynamic footwork called Tatkar and first paced spins called Chakkars are defining features of which dance form? Option number A, Kathak. 11. Pandit Birju Maharaj, who passed away recently, was the legendary doyen of which Kathak Gharana? Option number C, Lucknow Gharana. 12. Kelucharan Mahapatra is credited with resurrecting and popularizing which of the following dance forms in the 20th century? Kelucharan Mahapatra. Option number B is the correct answer, Odissi. 13. Rukmini Devi Arundel is associated with revival and global recognition of which classical dance form? Option number A, Bharatanatyam. 14. Shobhana Narayan, a famous Padma Shri awardee, is associated with which dance style? Option number B, Kathak. 15. The legendary dancer Yamini Krishnamurthy is highly famous for excellence in which two classical dance forms? Option number B, Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. 16. Guru Bipin Singh, who received the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1966, was an exponent of which dance form? Option number C, Manipuri. 17. Sonal Mansingh, a classical dancer and Rajya Sabha MP, is proficient in which dance style? Option number A, Bharatanatyam and Odissi. 18. Which legendary freedom fighter and poet played a pivotal role in reviving Kathakali by establishing the Kerala Kalamandalam? Option number B, Vallathol Narayan Menon. 19. The Javeri sisters Darshana, Nayana, Ranjana and Subharna are synonymous with which Indian classical dance form? Option number C, Manipuri. 20. Vempati Chinna Satyam was a master and guru of which classical dance form? Option number A, Kuchipudi. 21. What is the sequence of performance in a standard Bharatanatyam recital? Choose the correct order. What is the sequence of performance in a standard Bharatanatyam recital? Option number B, Aladippu, Jatiswaram, Shavdam and Tillana. 22. The practice of Tarangam is a hallmark of Kuchipudi. What does it involve? Tarangam. Option number A, dancing on the rim of a brass plate while balancing a pot of water on the head. 23. According to the Indian classical dance theory, Tandav represents the masculine aspect of dance. Which element represents the feminine graceful aspect? Option number B, Lasha. 24. Tribhanga posture, a three-bend posture where the body bends at the neck, waist and knee is a distinct feature of which classical dance? Option number B, Odissi. 25. In Indian classical dance, abstract pure dance movements devoid of any emotional theme or storytelling are called? Option number B, Nritta. 26. Which classical dance style uses a musical accompaniment completely sung in the Sopana Sangeetham style? Option number C, Kathakali. 27. Under whose reign did the Kathak dance get immense royal patronage in the Awadh court, heavily shaping its modern presentation? Option number B, Wajid Ali Shah. 28. Ankiya Nat, a one-act play style of drama, is a part of which Indian classical dance form? Option number B, Satriya. 29. How many classical hand gesture, Samyukta and Asamyukta Hasta Mudras are broadly outlined in the Natya Shastra text? Option number C, 64. Question number 30. Which classical dance form's music belongs exclusively to the Carnatic music system? Option number B, Bharatanatyam. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.